Today we will be installing NAD's new 4K video card, the VM300, into a T777, but this process can also be used for the T787. We will start by removing the cover. There are 4 screws on the back as well as 3 on each side that you need to remove. Once the top cover is removed, unplug the grounding cable connecting the audio input card to the audio card. There is a 4-pin Molex connector as well as a ribbon cable connecting the video card to the front HDMI port. We must unplug these in order to get the video card out. For better access to these cables and connectors, remove the S-video card. Unplug the 4-pin Molex connector. Now, using a tweezer, remove the ribbon cable. Once the grounding pin, ribbon cable, and the 4-pin Molex connector are removed, you are now free to remove the audio and video card. Start by removing the screws connecting them to the chassis. There are 2 screws connecting the video and audio card. Remove the audio card by first removing the 2 screws on the back. Now unscrew the audio card from the backplate. Now your audio card is separated from your video card. Your VM300 will come with a backplate for the audio card. Using the same screws you used removing the audio card from the video card, use them to attach the backplate to it. Your VM300 board will also come with its own backplate. To install this backplate, you will need 3 screws from the existing video card. Once your backplates have been installed, you are now able to install your new video card and the old audio card. Install the cards by starting off with the audio card. Carefully slide it into its appropriate rail. Now install the video card. Before fully inserting the video card, be sure to install the ribbon cable and the 4-pin Molex connector. Please be aware of the orientation of the ribbon cable. For the VM300, the contacts on the ribbon cable must be facing away from the card itself. You can now install the S-Video card. Connect the grounding cable from the audio card to the audio input card. And screw the boards back to the chassis. Place the top cover back on.
Now that the new module or modules have been installed in your NAD product, you'll need to update the firmware. For this, you'll need to download and extract the firmware loader onto a computer using the Windows operating system or an Apple computer with a PC emulator. The firmware loader can be found at nadelectronics.com in the manuals and download sections of the specific product page of your AV receiver. You will also need a USB to DB9 male serial RS-232 adapter cable. One source for this is cablestogo.com, product number 26887. Be sure to install the USB drivers in the package. To upgrade the firmware, follow these steps. Connect your NAD receiver to your computer using the serial cable. Ensure that the NAD AV receiver is plugged in and turned on. Open the NAD firmware loader that was previously downloaded and extracted. You will need to ensure that the computer does not turn off or go into sleep mode during the upgrade process. Select Next to continue. The program will prompt to do an auto detection to connect your COM port. Select Next to continue. If your computer fails to find or connect to the proper COM port, you can manually select the corresponding port, matching it to the one listed in the Device Manager in your computer's system settings. Open the Control Panel menu, select System and Security submenu, and then open the System option. Once detected, the software will auto-scan your NAD AV receiver's current software versions. Confirm the selections and proceed to the next step. If you are unsure which MDC modules are installed in your unit, please contact your local NAD dealer for assistance. The upgrade should take approximately 10 minutes. The NAD product may turn off and on during the upgrade process. This is normal. Once the upgrade process has been completed, this screen will be displayed.